Hello folks, this is Dan at the desk, and I'm here today doing a little Dan at the desk to show you something that we came up with that I thought was worth sharing. I do have them listed already on the site, so it's nothing too brandy new. I had a customer call me and ask me, actually he was looking at one of Saunders' videos, and he noticed that Saunders was making these plate covers. He made a little mold, and he made a video, of course, and everything else. And it was a little mold that covered up a portion of the plate. And he said, Dan, I think that's a great idea. He said, I want something like that for my steel modular plate that I bought from Tosa Tool. And I said, that looks like a really good idea. Even if you have the plugs and set screws, there's still those little bitty chips, especially if you're using carbide, those little bitty chips that get into those holes, and boy oh boy, they can cause a lot of trouble. They can make your plate dirty and make you want to pull your hair out trying to get all that mess off your table. So I thought about it, and this is what I came up with. Initially, I came up with these. This is a flexible magnetic mat. This is a plain white one. They come in black, plain white, or printed in color with anything you want on them. Once again, this is like a 16th inch thick flexible mat, and you can have anything you want printed on it. It's fantastic. Your company logo, your name, your face, your girlfriend, the stair drill chart if you wanted to, whatever you want. This is fantastic, and it sticks real. It's a really low magnetic pull that it's got, but because it's got so much surface area, it sticks really nice to the plate, and it keeps all the mess off the plate. All you got to do is sweep it off with your hand or with a ruler or a brush or whatever, and none of the mess gets down to your plate. It's fantastic. It's rust and dirt and coolant and sludge and everything resistant. It's like an IP68 type grade, I'm told. And boy oh boy, what an excellent invention. And they cut easily. Just super easy. They cut easily with a scissors or a razor blade or whatever. We're gonna go out and cut one of these up right now, and put it on the machine. Take some pictures of it and show you what it looks like. Okay? Thanks.